Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Today I am making a tumbler that is glitter and vinyl and ombre, so let's jump right in. Starting with this 20-ounce sublimation tumbler. And I'm also using this gorgeous vinyl that I got from the Vinyl Cottage. And I went ahead and cut out 2 diamonds on my silhouette cameo. Putting my transfer tape on one of the diamonds, I am going to make sure that that transfer tape is good and secured to the vinyl. And then I'm going to place it on the one half of the tumbler. And I try to get it as even as possible with the point going at the top and the bottom. And so once I'm happy with where I'm going to put it, I cut off a little bit of that backing, make sure that I have it lined up, and then I'm going to smooth down the vinyl from the backing that's missing, and then proceed to take off the rest of the backing to adhere it using my squeegee onto the tumbler. And then I carefully remove that transfer tape as to I don't pull up any of that vinyl. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the second diamond on the other side of the tumbler. So next I'm going to go ahead and tape off all of that vinyl so that I can then add the glitter to the part that does not have the vinyl. And the tape just helps me not get the Mod Podge onto the vinyl so that I can be a little bit more sloppy when essentially painting on the Mod Podge. Now that that's all taped up, I'm just taking a fluffy makeup brush. I got this from the Dollar Tree, and putting a nice, somewhat thick coat of the Mod Podge on it because I don't want it to dry really quick. And I'm doing just the bottom half for now. I'm going to do a 3-color ombre with the bottom being Anchorman from the Glitter Guy. It's a gorgeous like maroon color. So I put that all over the bottom at first, and then I tilt my tumbler up and tap to get the ombre started. So the next color I'm going to go in is Made You Blush by the Glitter Heart Co. And I'm going to start from the middle and work my way down to ombre them 2 colors together. Don't mind any spots that I might have missed. I do go in with a second coat and fill those in. And then I'm going to take my Mod Podge once that's done and do the top half. And I do start with the Made You Blush in the middle and work my way up at an angle so that I can get that to ombre. And once I get that done, I will go into my final glitter, which is Babe by the Glitter Guy. And I will tilt my tumbler and work it way down into the Made You Blush. So once this dries, I will go in with a second coat to fill in any spots and just to help that ombre look even better. So here I'm adding the second coat, and I'm going to do the same exact thing that I did before. And just going back and forth until I'm happy with the top blend. For some reason, the light pink in the Made You Blush did not want to ombre as well as the Made You Blush and the Anchorman. But when I'm happy with it, I go ahead and remove all of this tape to reveal my vinyl underneath. And I can honestly say I'm loving how this is turning out. So I'm going to do 2 coats of Rust-Oleum clear coat and 2 coats of epoxy. Once that epoxy is done, I am going to go ahead and add my lines. I'm using this rose gold vinyl that I had. This is the last of my scrap. I need to get more. This particular vinyl, I don't know. I know I got it off of Amazon, but I don't think it's available. But one comparable is Tech Craft, so I will list that in the description box below. So I'm going to go ahead, and the first line I'm going to put is, like I said, the rose gold chrome, and I'm going to outline the diamond on each side, kind of crisscrossing. As I was lining this tumbler, my grandson decided to come in and keep me company. So here's a little clip and enjoy his little conversation.
Some of them are candy, some of them are not.
Okay.
So, Mr. Chocolate, I would not eat my candy ones. So Mr. Chocolate, I don't know if he's going to help me. Maybe while we're busy. Or maybe he's melting, trying to make himself another trying to help himself get out of the mess.
Yeah?
Probably. I don't know.
He cracks me up. Some of the stuff he comes up with. Oh, gotta love little kids. So now I'm going over those metallic or the chrome lines with this very light pink vinyl. This is just permanent pink vinyl. I got with like a pack of stuff, so any pink vinyl would do, or any colored combination that you decide to do would work. So I'm crisscrossing those, and once I'm happy with where everything is and laid down, I make sure that it is completely laid down, and then I take my craft knife and cut off all the excess. I'm loving how this is turning out. I kind of want to do a tumbler of just the ombre alone. But after I get all of that done, I do seal this with Ccdiy Quick Coat. And after 2 final layers of epoxy, this beauty is done. It will be available on the website if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.